2 AI tools. 1 mission. Turn your words into wild, vivid images. Shutterstock AI or Canva AI. Which one makes better images? We tested both with the weirdest prompts we could think of. And the results? Unreal. Let's dive in. Part 1. Shutterstock AI. First up, Shutterstock AI. It's slick, it's powerful. And yup, it's not free. Step by step. 1. Go to shutterstock.com. 2. Sign up. It's quick. 3. On the left menu, click Generate. Or just Google Shutterstock AI Generator if it doesn't show up. Prompt test. Sailing ship in space. Shutterstock gives you a set of high-quality AI images almost instantly. You can even choose your style, photo, art, 3D, and more. And here it is, a literal pirate ship in the galaxy. 10 out of 10 sci-fi vibes. But here's the catch. Want to download that masterpiece? You'll need Shutterstock credits or a subscription plan. Pro tip: if you're already a Shutterstock user for stock photos or videos, this is a solid bonus feature. Part 2. Canva AI. Now let's talk about the people's champion, Canva AI. Totally free and baked right into Canva's mobile app. Here's how it works. 1. Open Canva app. 2. Scroll to text to image on the bottom bar. 3. Type your wildest ideas. Prompt test. Fish in space driving a car. Weird? Yes. But look at this spacey fish with a carish vibe. Close enough. Prompt 2. People relaxing in space. Think cosmic hammocks and chill astronauts. You can even choose styles like dreamlike, retro anime, or photorealistic. Perfect for mood boards, storyboarding, or just impressing your group chat. Let's compare these tools real quick. Feature Shutterstock AI Canva AI. Cost paid/subscription free. Image quality 5 stars, photorealistic 4 stars, fun plus usable. Style options multiple/pro level, fewer, but fun. Use case pro media, presentation, social, creative, design. Ease of use medium, super easy. Both tools are great, but for most casual users or content creators. Canva's text-to-image wins for creativity, cost, and speed. AI art is here, and you don't need to be an artist. You just need a weird idea and the right tool. Want a cheat sheet of the best AI prompts to try? Comment prompt pack below and I'll send it your way. Like if you learned something new. Subscribe for more AI hacks. And tell me, what's the craziest image prompt you can think of? I'll try it in the next video.